Hello everybody and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Friday the 10th of March 2023. It's turning in to be quite a lively day, quite a lively past 24 hours to be quite frank in the world of cryptos and in fact in all global markets. Equities seen lower and banking especially has been hit pretty hard for the financial sector of equities. And how's that related to crypto? Well, we've had a crypto bank heading into liquidation, haven't we? With Silvergate recently, so that was already on the minds, let's say, of crypto traders. It's already been weighing on sentiment. We've had a hawkish Powell adding to the mix, and then yesterday with equity sentiment turning towards complete risk off and a move towards quality, taking utilities and consumer staples out of financials, out of banking, and then you just add all that together and you break some technicals, and that's why we've seen this move lower on cryptos. We got to that 20k handle a lot quicker than I was expecting. Really, I was anticipating once we got through the 23k. Remember, around about here, we were saying a breakout here is going to give us the next direction. That's what we got. We retraced the 50-day moving average, rejected off that, but then that daily buy yesterday. We all know that when crypto moves, it can move at incredible volatility. Compared to other assets, and that's why it's good for trading if you're on the right side of it, of course. But there's plenty of volatility there, and over the past 24 hours, I think we're down almost 10% now. So we're currently below the 20k handle. We've gone through that today like it's not there. I will just highlight on the daily bar yesterday, we did find a bounce there, so there is the potential that there was some buyers, but again, I'm thinking there's plenty of stops of leverage below here. I'm waiting for Charles to give us an update inside the chat room to explain how many leverage longs have been wiped out in this move. He's usually good for finding that information. Currently at 19,595. This is my next level of support until we knock another 1,000 points off, and that'll be down at 18,725. Below that, 18,190. I've been praising Ethereum recently in these briefs for holding up better than BTC. When BTC was under pressure at when BTC was under pressure at that sort of 21,850 to 23k area, we saw Ethereum still holding up okay above the 1550 handle, but then yesterday wasn't able to escape that severe punishment, and we're down almost 10% now in the past 24 hours. 1420, that was the support level that I had here. That's been taken out today with a move back down. Basically, we could be on the way to give back all of the 2023 gains. So you're talking 3 months, let's say 2.5 months of gains could be gone within less than a week, and that is crypto for you, and that's how quickly markets can move, especially on the downside. I will say. Of course, there is the phrase which is markets take the stairs going up and then the elevator going down, and we've seen that on cryptos here, and you can see it none more so than on this Litecoin chart, which is basically just heading parabolic is on the way up, but the opposite. Piercing through 75 like it's not there. That was one of my key support levels. Now heading back down. Where are we for the 2023? I think we're about here, so we're not far now on Litecoin. In fact, that will be the start of the year. So Litecoin is probably the first of the three to have actually wiped out all of its 2023 gains now. It wasn't long ago that we were looking at breaking 102. When was that? That was just less than a month ago. We were thinking, okay, well, can we get through the 102, get towards 115? And Litecoin had been really trending nicely to the upside, higher low after higher low. But then, as you can see, over the past 24 hours, just getting smashed, giving away all the 2023 gains. And I mean, from here, you've got to be looking at that swing low, which was at around 61.30, and then you've got the 60 round number. There's not too much else for me to add, really, apart from the fact that there's ample reasons that have been building up for sellers to emerge. There's stronger than expected inflation reports. We've had the hawkish Fed in terms of Jerome Powell this week telling Congress that the central bank has far more work to do to bring inflation back down. Added to all the inflation interest fears, there was the collapse of the crypto-friendly lender Silvergate Bank on Wednesday this week. Also, the US Department of Justice moved 49,000 Bitcoin seized from darknet marketplace Silk Road to new addresses, suggesting the government may have interest in soon selling that sizable stash of BTC. So ample reasons, like I said, Bitcoin not looking too healthy right now. It's been a sea of red. We've only had one up day now midweek in the past 3-4 weeks of trading. Let's see where we end the day. 19,595 support level here. That's where we're at right now. But a move lower could see us pierce all the way down into 18,725 today. So don't rule that out either. That's it from my end for today. I will see you all inside the chat room. All the best with your crypto trading. Take care and bye for now.